bersama Shiku di sini kita akan melanjutkan gameplay Life is Strange. Gimana nih puasa kalian hari ini? Lancar kan? Jadi kemarin kita udah bersama Chloe di dimensi yang satunya, dimana Chloe mengalami kecelakaan mobil sehingga dia lumpuh teman-teman. Dan pada akhirnya kita harus mengikhlaskan William untuk yang kedua kalinya. Jadi tanpa berlama-lama langsung saja kita lanjut ke chapter selanjutnya. Apakah yang akan terjadi? Apakah misi kita akan reset atau kita akan melanjutkan? Oke, gimana ini? Ada kid, Nathan. Oke, berarti misi kita tetap berlanjut ya teman-teman. Kemungkinan besar, karena ada dokumen-dokumen yang pernah kita ambil.
Chloe, you're back.
Chloe.
Oh yeah, now you suddenly want to kiss me? You had your chance. I'm so glad you're here. You sound high, but thanks for the morning grope. Since we were up all night playing CSI Arcadia Bay, I was still spaced out here trying to put all this info together. Max, did you forget we've gone over this? I hope you weren't messing around with time while I was sleeping.
Not anymore. I'm just spaced out too. Welcome back to the real world, Max.
Masih sama Chloe berambut biru.
Let's look at the big board and see all our pieces in the puzzle so far.
Oke, kita lihat dulu. Rachel, Frank, Kate.
So close yet so far away. We have to do 3 main things.
Right. What things?
1. Decipher Frank's logbook. 2. Get Nathan's phone to find out where he's been during the Vortex Club parties with Kate and Rachel. And see whatever hidden shit he's got in his messages.
3. Beat Stepdouche Dan until he tells us about Frank, Nathan, and the dark room. And I do have a gun now.
Keep it in your pants. We'll have to do this on our own.
Dude, at least let me kick his ass, then rewind. Fine, whatevs. It's your power.
Which I can't waste on shit like that. Or Blackwell would be in big trouble.
You didn't even let me take that money to pay Frank off.
And I'm glad. We have to be better than that.
I know. You should get busy in the garage to see what dirt you can dig up. I'm gonna cyberstalk some names and see where that leads. Or to who. And be careful of Stepcrack. He's not gonna be a happy camper after you reamed him yesterday and Mom is giving him the boot.
I'm on it, partner.
Okay, partner in crime.
I can't abuse this level of my rewind power. I'm so sorry, William. It's not fair you had to die twice.
Astaga, kita membiarkan William meninggal untuk 2 kali.
This butterfly photo seems like a million years ago. How much time have I altered since?
Oke, kita udah lihat-lihat. Kita lihat itu.
I wish I could tell Chloe how much William cared about her.
Betul.
Staying up all night is the best excuse to drink lots of coffee.
Andai Chloe kamu tahu bapak kamu tuh sayang
Even
banget sama
Holmes
kamu.
and Watson didn't use every piece of information. Damn, this is a serious expose on the Prescotts. Finally. That's my Chloe.
Kita masih bersama Chloe yang sama, yang agak rebel dikit, tapi
That snow dough always makes me think of William and
mungkin ini yang
Chloe.
terbaik.
I I still feel sketchy about giving Chloe the gun back.
Ya setidaknya kita kasih dia apa namanya?
Oh no, that poor little bird has been trapped in here.
Kita kasih dia pistolnya balik. Hei, kamu itu kah? Terjebak kah?
Oh, that blue dye makes me so happy. It means the real Chloe is back with me.
Oke, kita pakai dulu. Kita cuci muka temen-temen biar segar. Halo. Di kaca lucu banget. Kita jangan biarkan dia di situ teman-teman.
Fly, be free.
Kita bebasin dulu dia. Bentar, kita tutup dulu ya. Padahal enak kalau udaranya segar gitu.
Since David might be in there, I better mosey along for a change.
Oke, sekarang kita turun. Lah. Halo, Pak. Kok mukanya sedih sekali? Kenapa?
You won this battle, Max. You broke up my family. I salute you.
David, I didn't try to hurt you. Ever. But I won't let anybody hurt Chloe.
Too late, isn't it? You just better be damn careful with her. Don't you wander off into the dark.
Kok kamu sesedih itu, Pak? Kenapa? Perasaan?
David isn't any different from me when he's looking at those family photos.
Perasaan itu kalian cuma bertengkar gak sih? Atau divorce?
Those poor whales are like beached angels. What is going on here?
Halo, Aaron. Oke, kita kembali bersama Warren, gebetan kita. Shiku sedih banget waktu
Looks like they're back on the road to Paris.
Shiku sedih banget waktu lihat dia jadian sama si Stella di
Ouch.
dimensi sebelumnya, yang di dimensi satu. Oh, nggak mau ketemu. Pantas dia pergi. Duduk dulu.
Somehow I existed in this whole other reality. But I don't know what happened.
Balik lagi, kalau misalnya kita duduk atau berbaring gitu, pasti yang terjadi adalah si siapa? Max
To think this all started with my vision of a tornado.
akan nostalgia, teman-teman. Tahu dia ngucapin
Joyce
hal-hal.
must be so upset. Are you helping anybody, Max?
I'm so sorry, Joyce. Tidak bermaksud untuk gimana-gimana, cuman apa yang David lakuin itu di luar
It looks like
nalar.
David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some new clues around.
Oh iya, betul juga. Tapi kita lihat-lihat dulu semuanya, dimulai dari sini.
What the hell did David do for Nathan? And what did his dad do for David?
Mereka,
Either Chloe stole another gun, or David is out there armed.
mereka kerjasama kah?
Oh, that makes me sad. It was so incredible to see William again. I wish Chloe could too. There's more to David Madsen than meets the eye. He should finish this letter to Joyce.
Oh, mereka bersama, teman-teman.
Should I have signed the petition? Blackwell sure isn't safe and private anymore. Surveillance cameras at Penn Estates? David must be working for the Prescotts too.
Wow, itu kameranya dimerah-merahin kah? Banyak sekali. Apa aja yang ada di sini? Tidak ada. Mobilnya udah nggak ada juga ya, teman-teman.
Whoa, that is a serious padlock on that locker. Hey David, what you hiding?
Shiku tidak punya info
For
lagi.
once, I don't have time to search for the code. I need to find a way to break this padlock.
Oke, kita punya ini.
Okay, I can use that crowbar to pry open the locker.
Dan kita pakai.
Sorry, David, but I bet you would do the same thing as me.
Apa yang akan kita temukan?
Oh,
Wow,
maps, notes, coordinates, photos of Kate, Nathan. Yes.
kok ada foto
Score.
kita juga?
Back to Chloe now.
Kita harus hilangkan bukti dulu, kita hilangkan jejak. Oke, sudah. Apa ini?
Oh, look at the baby blue jay eggs in the nest. I better move his plank if I want to take the shot. Excuse me. Just one picture, please.
Kita foto semua hal yang kita lihat dan menarik. Ada yang simpan telur burung di situ.
Another photo from my Arcadia Bay wildlife series.
Oke, kita udah punya buku, foto, dan sebagainya. Ayo kita panggil Chloe.
Yo, Chloe! Are you ready yet? I have to get back to my dorm. Are we happy?
Very happy. I hit the secret file jackpot. Kate, Nathan, and Rachel. Plus some location coordinates. David is like a one-man surveillance army. Now let's get the hell out of here before we get busted. But I absolutely have to go see Kate in the hospital right now. I want to find out how she's doing.
Oke, ayo kita ketemu Kate dulu. Kita jenguk Kate di rumah sakit ya, teman-teman.
This is definitely Kate's floor.
Hospitals always freak me out.
I hear you. But imagine how Kate feels. I'm so glad I get to see her again. I hope it's not too weird for her.
No, she'll be stoked to see you. Who wouldn't be?
This be it. I'm a little nervous.
Just go in there and be your friend. I'll wait out here so you can chill by yourselves. I was a total dick for blowing a fuse when you answered Kate's call the other day. Good thing you ignored me. I had no idea what shit she was going through. And you saved her. Like me.
Oh, dia ngerasa bersalah, teman-teman.
I'm sorry.
Gara-gara Gara-gara waktu itu dia tuh
Thanks, Chloe.
kayak
But don't be sorry. We're all on the same team.
Team Max. Let Kate know we're gonna string Nathan up by his balls then.
oke.
Oh, yes. I'm on it.
Dia ngerasa salah waktu kita angkat telepon si Kate. Kan dia bilang gak usah jawab, kamu kan lebih penting Kate kah daripada aku gitu. Tapi kita ignore karena kita tahu Kate butuh kita gitu.
Max,
Kate.
I thought I'd never see you again. I feel so ridiculous. I'm so sorry.
Kate, listen to me. You have nothing to be sorry about. Other people do. You do not know how happy I am to see you. You look awesome. Is it a stupid question if I ask how you're doing?
Now that you're here, I'm doing even better. I'm so grateful to you for coming up to the roof to talk me down. Max, I felt so lost and alone. When I saw how much you cared, how hard you were trying, you made me realize I wasn't alone. Thank you.
Kate, there are so many people who love you and want to help you.
I know. You should see all the letters and postcards. I gave most of the flowers to other patients here because they need them more than me. I'm keeping the balloons, though. One of the nurses gave me some pen and paper so I could do some drawings.
Oke, sepertinya
I love
Kate
your illustrations.
They got
Dapatkan
kind
banyak
of dark there for a while. But I have an
Sesuatu yang baik.
idea for a new children's book about bullying. I was thinking of having some photographs in there, too.
I hope that's a subtle hint that you'll let me take the photographs for the book.
Was that subtle? You better take the pictures, Max. I'm going to be here for another day until my family comes out to visit.
How are they treating you?
Like they need to protect me forever. They're so upset, and I know they feel guilty even though they didn't do anything. I was surprised how many students from Blackwell wrote me. Daniel, Mr. Jefferson, even Victoria wrote me a very sweet note. And I believe she was being real.
Me too. I'm glad you believe again, Kate.
I'm working on it, Max. I just pray I can get this drawing right.
syukurlah dia dapat banyak hal yang baik. Bahkan dari Victoria sekalipun. Mungkin kita harus langsung ngomong aja ya.
Kate, it is so good to hang out with you again.
Max, I owe you so much. And I can tell you want to talk to me about something.
Kita bahas tentang dirinya dulu.
I always want to talk to you.
We missed our tea session this week.
That was so not cool. We need to plan like a tea shop tour of Portland.
Oh, yes. And you could bring Warren along, too.
Lah, kenapa? Kenapa, Weren?
What do you think of Warren?
Oh, smart and silly. He's got such a good heart. And he's a cutie pie. You know he likes you.
I'm going to the drive-in with him, so we'll see. With everything that's going on, a date seems weird.
No, you deserve that.
Kate Marsh, matchmaker. I'm glad somebody is looking out for my love life.
Even angels need angels, Max.
Oke, kita dapat fakta kalau Weren suka sama kita. Tersipu dulu karena Ciku lebih suka Weren tuh sukanya sama Max, bukan nama Stella.
I want you to know I'm this close to getting all the info I need about Nathan.
Nathan Prescott has to pay for what he did. And we have to stop him from hurting anybody else.
Well, I did get his ass suspended, so that might be a start.
Betul.
You did? Oh, right on, Max. I love how fearless you are. So what is going on with him now?
Sekarang lebih ke mungkin Prescott family ya. Untuk Vortex
I think
Club,
his
Ciku
family
belum
is
tahu
totally
banyak.
protecting him. Or worse.
I never say this about people. But Max, there's something evil about the Prescotts. They have something to do with death.
We're going to stop him. I just have to find Nathan's room number, get inside, and get the clues I need.
Max, please let me help. I can get the number and I'll text it to you, okay?
Of course, Kate. I can't do this without you.
Now it's time for Nathan to watch out for us.
I have to get back to our mission. You don't know how much it means to see you again.
I do. That's why I love you, Max. Thanks for taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her
Dia
soon.
masih aman di kita. Oke, kok Victoria? Oke, Kate.
Those are
mau
nice
lihat lagi
flowers.
bentar.
And from Taylor? Wow, props to her. If this gets Kate through the night, so be it. I don't think get well is quite apropos.
Bener. Lebih ke apa ya?
Principal Wells knows how to step it up when he wants to.
Oke. Kepala sekolah sudah.
That is so sweet. Even Victoria signed,
Aduh, Shiku udah mulai batuk-batuk.
but not Nathan. Victoria Chase might be queen bitch, but she's not evil.
Maaf ya teman-teman. Shiku udah mulai. Kalau nggak batuk bersin. Kenapa ya? Agak-agak tidak enak badan.
Oh, I love Kate's happy rainbow flock. Good to see that Kate is still working on her book report.
Oke. Kita ngomong lagi kayaknya.
Hey Kate, back again.
Which makes me happy.
Kita tanya Victoria.
I saw Victoria's letter. How does that make you feel?
Max, I know Victoria can be, not nice, but I do believe in forgiveness and redemption.
Oke.
I might be naive, but I feel her struggle.
I
Masih
wasn't so
Kate
nice
yang
to her
sama,
this week either
pemaaf
when I
dan
took a
baik hati.
picture of her covered in paint. It was not a proud moment.
We all have our moments. Why do you think she acts so mean?
Mungkin dia jahat karena insecure.
She's insecure. If you're comfortable with yourself, you don't need to act superior.
Victoria doesn't look like she has much to be insecure about.
If anybody could make Victoria see the light, it would be Kate Marsh.
No, I think it will take more than that, Max.
I have to get back to our mission. You don't know how much it means to see you again.
I do. That's why I love you, Max. Thanks for taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her soon.
Oke, Kate, aku pamit dulu ya. Aku mau melanjutkan misi kita.
Well, how is she?
She's still Kate Marsh. Thank God.
I'm glad we came to see her.
Thanks for coming with me.
Now let's go pay a visit to Nathan Prescott.
Oke.
That little prick is not going to be glad when he sees us.
Ayo kita cari Nathan Prescott. Oke, ada Mark Jefferson juga. Ramai sekali dormnya, tumben. Samuel, Miss Grant.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yo.
Chloe. Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. In actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird just being on campus like everything's normal.
I know, lame as it sounds, life has to go on.
I think there's too much going on in my life.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be
Okay.
there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week to focus. No pun intended.
I'm proud of you for caring so much about a troubled friend. And I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Thanks, Mr. Jefferson. I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me too. I'll be Max's date. You better dance with us at least once.
Nobody should have to see me dance. Plus, you don't want to watch the old hipster trying to keep up with the kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will. Hot for teacher.
Rose!
Wih,
You're
queen.
out of control.
Not yet. Just wait
Bener-bener
until
ya.
the rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I can get some dirt from Justin. Haven't talked to him in a while.
Now that
Okay.
is a great plan.
Oke, kita kemana ya?
Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is.
Halo, Zakiri.
Enjoy the big game, Zachary. I hope it's not the last.
That's so
Oh,
ironic
ini
that Warren asked Max to the
Stella
drive-in.
bukan ya? Oh, bukan. Beda nama. Brooke.
Hey, Brooke. How are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way, thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
Kita basa-basi dulu. Kita tanya drone.
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant finally gave up and let me fly her again. But you're going to the drive-in with Warren, so you don't have time to fly my drone.
Oke.
Really? I can't fly your drone because I'm going to see ape movies with Warren?
You are perceptive, Max. Now, excuse me. My drone needs me. That's so ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in.
Lah. Kok kamu gitu ngomongnya?
Talk to you later, Max. That's so ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in.
Astaga. Kamu cemburu kak aku sama Warren atau gimana?
I had to clear away another batch of
Halo
dead
Miss
birds
dan
today.
Miss
Sad.
Makes me
Pak.
mad.
How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel. How are you?
Sad and confused like everybody else in Arcadia Bay. You look like you have a lot of questions, too.
Lebih ke apa ya? Ini mungkin ya.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
Lebih ke beach whales.
How can anybody explain all those poor beached whales?
My dad was a fisherman, and he'd take me out to hear the whales sing. Now they just cry.
Eco disaster.
Do you think this is some kind of eco-disaster? Or...
I think it's more than that. Somebody is causing all this to happen.
You think so, Samuel?
You and Arcadia Bay are connected by time and tide. So, next time I have a question, I'm coming to you.
Oke. Gitu aja deh. Kita bahasnya.
I'm sorry. I better get going now.
Kita nggak bisa
Climate
lama-lama
change
karena
isn't
kita
real
harus
my
lari.
ass.
I think
Hi, Miss Grant.
Max, you always show up when I'm talking about you. I'm still bragging about you and the other students making Blackwell surveillance free.
Kita harus bahas Kate dulu karena
I don't think
dia
surveillance
lagi
would have
baik.
helped Kate Marsh.
Who needs surveillance when we have Maxine Caulfield? You did a wonderful thing. And now we have to make sure Kate gets the help she needs. Do you need to talk to a counselor?
Enggak juga sih.
No thanks, Miss Grant. I have my best friend and my parents. For now.
I'm happy to hear that, Max. Just don't ever be afraid to talk to somebody, okay?
Oke, Miss
I wish
Grant.
Kate had come to me. I had no idea what she was going through.
Kate was drugged at the Vortex Club party and bullied by them until she ended up on the roof. How do you stop that?
Shut down that damn Vortex Club for a start. I don't mean to get riled up, but that party should have been postponed. It's extremely tasteless given what happened with Kate.
The Prescott sih. Lebih bertanggung jawab.
Do the Prescotts have anything to do with the Vortex Club? I mean, they don't get all their money from car washes.
No, they don't. But membership has its privileges. Especially when your father is Blackwell's biggest sponsor. This elitist nonsense has no place here.
You're right. I just wish this could be the school that I dreamed about before I came here.
I hear you, Max. I love seeing you and Warren and all my students at your best here. But you're all too young to be so cynical. But you truly give me hope.
Oke, sekarang kita harus bahas Nathan.
I was looking for Nathan Prescott, and I thought he might be in your class.
Mr. Prescott has no class at all after his suspension. I didn't think you were friends.
Enggak sih, lebih ke mungkin gimana ya, kalau hell no, kita kayak ngasih tahu kalau kita bukan teman, terus ngapain kita cari dia ya? Oke, you know him better.
You probably know him better.
I've tried. Nathan is a Prescott, and with that comes a lot of baggage. Too much for one teenager. This week was the proof. Principal Wells did the right thing.
I know. Nathan needs real help.
Yes, he does, Max. I did try once, but Mr. Prescott didn't appreciate my help.
Susah sih.
I did see Nathan leaving the campus looking angrier than usual, so maybe it's good you haven't found him.
Oke, mungkin itu aja ya.
I'm sorry, Miss Grant. I have to get going. I'll see you later.
It's always good talking to you, Max.
Good. Nathan is not around.
As a scientist,
I should go back to Chloe.
Ayo, Chloe.
It's been so long since I've seen you.
Because you're way
I can tell that Justin is really into Chloe.
Way too much shit going on, man.
Try going to Blackwell. Insane.
Coast is clear. It would be so cool if you and me were going to school here together.
But now you can have Mr. Jefferson all to yourself.
Ah, you suck. Now let's get into Blackwell Ninja mode.
Oke, kita akan mulai lagi. Menyelidiki kasus Kate and Rachel Amber.
It's so lame they don't have co-ed dorms here.
Yes, because I want Nathan Prescott in the room next door.
Good point.
Wait here. Give me the signal if Nathan or anybody shows up.
I won't let you down, Batmax.
Oke, kamu
Now I
ini
just
dulu.
have to find Nathan's room.
Kita lihat-lihat.
Apparently Logan missed this poster.
Dia, oke, bentar. Oh, Nathan's room number 111. Oke, terima kasih Kate. Adakah chat? Dari Kui ada. No emoji. Dari bapak ada juga. Juliet? Hello? Oh, kita tanya tentang Frank. Oke, sudah semua kah? Loh, kok ada Justin? Oke, Frank.
Oh, Kate brings it. So, room 111 is the magic number.
Because you care. I'm here with you, right?
Ada suaranya Dena gak sih itu? Lah,
Are toilet paper wars mandatory in the dorms?
kasar sekali. Oke, kita tanpa membuang waktu, kita lihat ini. Oh, siapa ini?
Poor Warren. This is the work of Nathan. He's so lucky I'm a pacifist. Hello, Warren's room. Hawking and him make a good team.
Tempat gebetan kita 110.
Looks like one of the jocks did care about Kate.
Ini apa?
Oh, you Bigfoots.
Ah, ini nih.
This can only be Nathan's room.
Oke, kita buka paksa kamarnya dulu. Hello, anybody here? Tidak ada. Harusnya kita dapat info kalau dia pergi. Harusnya kita aman.
Now I need to find Nathan's phone. I'd cry too if I had him for a father and had to wear that suit.
Sedih banget mukanya. Oke, Joyce.
Nathan is way into this party. Bad sign. Bastard. Now I remember why I hate you. And why Kate will get justice.
Astaga.
Too bad Nathan isn't more like his sister. She sounds awesome. Yes, Nathan sure needs diet pills. This is strong stuff.
Itu videonya Kate.
These films all have a dark pattern. Max, hurry up and find Nathan's... Nathan likes his tortured subjects way too much.
Kita harus lihat-lihat dulu ya.
Yes, I would be cool with having this high-tech projector. That looks like a totally fun show. Even Nathan has a light side.
Bentar, mamanya quick chat lagi, teman-teman. Oh no, kok jatuh? Kita kan cuman foto tadi. Kita cari dulu.
Nathan Prescott, all-American teen.
Astaga, mesumnya.
Yes, I would be cool with having this high-tech projector. Damn, Nathan. It's so damn creepy, but the guy has his own style.
Serem juga ya dia.
I don't think one book can guide the Prescotts.
Seleranya dia agak-agak.
That must be the lamp Chloe broke when Nathan drugged her.
Oh, tidak. Tidak akan aku nyalakan itu.
That is so Chloe. Oh my god. Chloe. Oh, Chloe.
Ternyata korbannya Nathan banyak, teman-teman.
Nathan clearly has his fetish down.
Apa ini?
What the hell are all those marks on the floor?
Pokoknya Shiku mau apa namanya?
Let's find out what you're hiding.
Interaksi semua hal di sini.
Oh yes, little phone. You are mine now.
Itu.
Now I thought Victoria had the photo bling, but once again, the Prescotts rule. That monochrome camera is brand new and cost about $6 grand. Bastard.
Oke, kita udah sepertinya udah semua. Apa ini?
That's so cute and ironic. I can't believe Nathan still has it around.
Diploma. Sean Fresca. Dan seperti biasa, Shiko akan melakukan rewind untuk menghilangkan bukti dan jejak. Karena ini juga termasuk ilegal ya teman-teman. Kita masuk ke kamar orang. Hey Chloe.
Damn, Max, you're finally back. I got worried. So, what did you find?
His room was clean and creepy. Check this out.
Boom, Nathan. We got you by the balls, fucker.
Oh no.
What are you doing in my dorm?
Marah-marah mulu.
You're such a nosy bitch, Max.
Stop right there, Nathan.
Make me, ho.
Man.
Max, I got this. Get the fuck out of my face. You are so fucking dead.
Hampir.
Get off me, bro.
Dia pantas sih. Tapi Shiko tidak suka kekerasan.
Warren, stop it! Come on.
Oh, my head. Why are y'all looking at me like that, huh? You and you're all dead.
Apa
Let's
lagi?
go, now!
Plus, my dad is on his way. You're all fucked. He owns you.
Even if Nathan definitely deserved a beating, we should try to be better than... Okay, there's definitely a dorm map around here.
Bentar, Shiko pengen tahu. Ini kalau Shiko kejar bisa nggak ya? Enggak, dia langsung diem di kamar. Oke. Kita pergi. Dan karena Shiko sudah rekaman terlalu lama, mungkin cukup sampai di sini dulu untuk bukti handphone dari Nathan. Kita akan bahas dan cari tahu lebih lanjut di chapter selanjutnya. Terima kasih buat kalian yang udah menonton. Sampai jumpa lagi. Dan bye-bye. Semangat puasanya.